Ever had a hiccup attack at the worst moment? Hic, classroom, movie night, dead silence. So, what's actually happening? Inside your body lives a muscle called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe like a boss, but sometimes it panics. When you eat too fast, drink soda, laugh too hard, or scare yourself, the diaphragm freaks out and jerks. That jerk slams your vocal cords shut and, heck, congratulations, you've been jump scared by your own body. But here's the funny part. Your brain didn't plan this. It's more like your nerves sent a very confused email. So why do hiccup tricks work? Holding your breath, drinking water upside down, or getting scared, they all distract your brain and tell it, hey, chill. And just like that, the hiccups quit. So hiccups aren't dangerous. They're just your body doing a tiny dance without asking permission. Hic, rude.